remain seated at all times, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the boat and supervise your children. Let's wave goodbye to all the nice people on the dock. Wave really hard. You're never gonna see them again. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Mickle, and I'll be your skipper, guide, social director, and definitely not your hippo tamer for the next 3 months. Is it anybody's first time on the Jungle Cruise? Raise your hand, it's your first time. No way. Mine too. We'll be getting through this together. It'll be a lot of fun. We're starting our journey in the Amazon rainforest. It rains here some 486 days a year. That's almost every day. And through the mist, we have some beautiful butterflies. Their wingspan can range anywhere from an amazing 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. That's why we call them the rulers of a jungle, true monarchs. But all of my facts are true. I used to be a math teacher. I was so good at my job that they asked me to work somewhere else. Right over here we have Inspiration Falls. Let's find out why they call it that. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. That sounds like inspiration. I think we're now entering the Congo rivers. Let's see how far this boat can go. I guess it's not very. I haven't made it past the temple yet. But if you enjoy your cruise here today, we recommend renting a canoe from Moabs and Baits and Bites. They don't rent to me anymore though, not since the incident. Well, if you sang it says boats on that sign. The boat is spelled B-O-T-E. I don't know about you guys, but I don't speak French. Oh wow, look at that snake. Do you think this snake is bigger than the snake hiding in the back of the boat? Just kidding. Just want to make sure you're paying attention. You never know what's going to happen next. Yikes. Looks like the turtles are calling the shots. Please don't make a noise like a banana. It drives them in and they find it quite appealing. Oh no. Look at these like drunk over there. They left the lights on. I'll never get it to turn over. This is terrible, but let's keep going. We're now entering the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world. I've heard it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you are in. We're in a boat, but I appreciate the effort. Look right over here, we have the second most feared animal in the jungle, an African bull elephant. Over here on the other side, we have the first most feared. Look at those red eyes. Like he's gonna remember our faces because elephants have the best memory in the jungle. I really wish I had one like that. It'd make my job a lot easier. But this is the African belt. It holds up the African pants. Can you see those tall things all the way in the back? Those are trees. Look, these lions are protecting a sleeping zebra. How nice of them. He just looks dead. Tired. Sorry, I lost my train of thought for a second there. But, oh my goodness. Well, if you think you're having a bad day today, the second guy down that tree owns the trash can we passed by earlier. And you see that guy all the way on the bottom of the vascular Felix. Today's his first day. And also probably his last. I'll go pick him up later. He'll be fine. But just around this corner, we should have 2 lovebirds. I mean, these 2 over here, they really, really love Bird. It's Smiley and his girlfriend, Ginger. Just keep your hands inside the boat. Ginger snaps. And here's one's up, Cookie. That joke's really crummy, but I'm gonna milk it for all it's got. Oh, wait, I can't take this turn. Everybody needs to ride in the boat really lane. We're not lane, we're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it. We made it. That was really close. Don't worry about spiker falls now though, because we'll be going over it later. Isn't that fun? Is that a downed airplane? In the middle of the jungle, this can only mean one thing. Hippos. It makes sense because they're right here. Like just last week, these hippos sank 6 boats. We almost lost somebody out the window. Don't worry, though, only 5 of those boats are mine. That one over there is definitely skipper Felix's. And now at this time of year, there are a lot of baby hippos around. So I think if we listen really closely, we might hear one of them calling out to its mother. Let's try to hear it. Hey, Mom. elephants. They have the best memory in the jungle. I really wish I had one like that. It makes my job a lot easier. Except keep staying seated, alright? But this is really disappointing. It looks like all the bugs escaped. I wonder where all the fleas ended up. Watch out for those butterflies. They aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Basic science. But here it is. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's the beautiful, the gorgeous, the eighth wonder of the world. Give it up for the best side of water! That's what you listen, you'll see all week. Just please do not try that at home. You'll hear him the faucet every single time. Don't ask me how I know. Just trust me on that one. I think I took a wrong turn. We're now entering the Mekong River. I know it because it's making me a little bit nervous. I think something's following us. I don't know how to turn the boat around, so let's go find out what's in the temple up here. Everybody keep your eyes open, because I'll be keeping mine closed. Good luck. Let me take this time to point out a few of my favorite plants. I really like the green ones. I could probably name them too, that might help. Let's see, up here at the top we have a hibiscus. Down here, a lobiscus. In the river we have some sea biscus. And all the way in the back behind the trees, we have a nunya biscus. I can't tell you much about that one. We are getting pretty close to our gift shop now. It's just recently called after our lost and found. If you do recognize any of your items over here, just let Trader Sam know. He runs the place. I'm sure he'll give you a discount. It looks like he's out eating some dinner right now though, but he's very smart. He left the baby elephant in charge. That's because elephants have the best memory in the jungle. I really wish I had one like that. It would make my job so much easier. I don't think it's that bad though. I haven't been repeating myself, right? Right. No, I have been. Guys, I'm so sorry. My memory's really not that good. You know who does have a good memory though? My mom. She's really smart. She taught me everything I know. Well, it looks like we're now approaching the scariest part of our journey tonight. The return to civilization, so please remain seated at all times, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the boat, and supervise your children. And children, please supervise your parents. I've never yelled at my kid before,